Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language or how to add a new language to keyboard in this device. Start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and maybe not here, we can do it in the browser. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the top panel. So let's tap on it, and then we are in the languages section. In the right section, we've got the exact languages which are currently applied. We've got only English, which is our system language. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. Of course, you do not have to scroll just like I'm doing. Simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. Then let's tap on the language after finding it. And of course, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to use. Right here, we've got the keyboard layouts, and the amount of them will depend on the language. Sometimes you will have only one or two, and sometimes you will have up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So if you want to use particular layout, so for example the handwriting or the Urdu one in my case, just mark the layout and untick the option which you don't want to use. So I will only use this graphical one. So let's tap on done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to the keyboard. So let me go back in order to show you the differences, because we will have two. Right now only one is visible, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the keyboard, the layout. So right now I'm typing kind of English and something crashed, but that's okay. Right now we've got also the second difference. So the spacebar, it is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. So as you can see, this is how to add the language to the keyboard and have 2 or 3 different languages applied. And right now I can show you how to remove the language, so you will be able to have only one language applied, and it can be different than the system language. It's up to you, of course. So let's enter the settings. And right here in this section, whenever you've got 2 languages applied, or 3 or more, you will have to tap on this edit icon, this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can either reorder the languages, it's up to you, or you can mark the language you want to remove. So I will remove Urdu. I want English to be applied, and then tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning. And here we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.